You mentioned you might be able to do a little teaser, little exclusive access for our community here. Could you talk about that a second?
All right, so we have a program that allows for everyone to get an airdrop. Basically, what if they provide to you guys, if you can gather a list of people who provide their Arbitrum address and their Discord name, and if they join our Discord and just leave a comment, we'll do them together and do an airdrop to them. What it will do is that airdrop will allow for them to get access to our services and see everything. Like they won't be able to comment, but they'll be able to see it all, and then they'll get a $500 allocation, one-time allocation to one of our seed rounds. They can just watch this allocations come by, but then if they see one they really like, they can just throw the $500, and it allows for people to experience what we're doing. So and once you experience it, with a little bit, like tip your toe in the water, you see the experience of everyone involved, then you'll understand and get how this works and how it's the ballpark way of hitting home runs. So one Intrepid token airdrop, and that we built out a system so that airdrop will allow for them to do that, experience that.
That's fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Great, guys. Thank you very, very much for that. And just to recap on that, guys, so we'll send a link down on the bottom, a Google Sheet. Fill in the Google Sheet, your Discord details, as well as your Arbitrum address. And then you sit and you watch. And if a project really sparks your liking, let's just say Bluebird, wink, wink, nudge, nudge. Corey and the team are geniuses at marketing. So that might actually be your best bet. Get your toe in the water and have a little bit of a nibble there and see what happens. But you don't have to go full force into it. It's a safe way to put in there and to try out the system. So it's a fantastic opportunity because these gated communities cost thousands and thousands of dollars to get in. At least you can try, and if you're happy, go buy the token. Remember, when you're buying the token, obviously buy to buy and obviously buy to sell later on. So you're having the best of both. You're still in the community, but you're trading as well back and forth.
All right, Shawn, I would like to mix in there.
Yes.
Do not hesitate to ask a question once you get on the Discord. We'll respond right back and make sure you stay straight because we don't know what level of background, but don't hesitate to ask. And no question is a bad question. So,
and we'll provide our Discord too, like with that, so they know to join the Discord and just leave a comment or whatever. And that's why our spreadsheet, when we're doing the airdrop, we'll see who's did both, and then we'll airdrop.
Awesome.
Yeah.